Today we're going to be talking about Harbor Freight. Now we're not going to be talking about so much of tools, but that'll get brought up too, but mostly we're going to be talking about boxes. But first, we're going to go over some tools. Now, no matter where you go or no matter who you talk to, there's always going to be the debate. What's the better tool and what's the worst tool? I have two wrenches here, and they are both my favorite. One is a Snap-on, and you guessed it, this one is a Pittsburgh. But if I had to choose between the two, this one always wins the day. This is a very nice tool, but you're going to pay for this very nice tool. This was a $280 ratchet. This one I like for certain things because it can be manipulated in different shapes and in different ways. I like using it like this a lot. This was $10 on the clearance rack at Harbor Freight, and it's a nice wrench. It really is a nice wrench, especially if you're a DIYer and you don't have the means or the want or the needs to purchase a Snap-on. A large variety of tools from everywhere from Milwaukee to Snap-on and even some Harbor Freight stuff. But mostly when I go to Harbor Freight now, I try to at least stick to the Icon line. Now, if you ask anybody I know and you said, hey, what's his favorite brand of tools? They're going to tell you. I'm always going to say Snap-on. I love Snap-on tools. They're great for the quality. The price, it's up there, but you're paying for what you get. I mean, just look at Scotty Kilmer. The guy's very knowledgeable in cars and how to maintain them. And I don't think he owns anything from Snap-on. I think he actually has videos talking about why Snap-on is a tool company you shouldn't. Without further ado, let's get into some stuff that I personally myself would love to have. You can pick up now at Harbor Freight. And the first thing we're going to talk about is the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack in awesome metallic purple. This bad boy costs $289. Looks cool, and it's always good to have extra jacks around. Then the next thing, of course, I hate having to go back and forth from the garage. Yep, a service cart. The U.S. General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart in white, of course, because I like different colors. Change it up a little bit. This bad boy can be yours for $269.99. Go pick it up today at your local Harbor Freight. The next thing you can never have too many of is floor jacks. I'm talking about the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. Man, these things are great. I got a set already. I need to get another ones. I'm going to go for the 6-ton this time. They run you about $80. Harbor Freight has them now. Check your local listings, people. Don't miss out on this. And because you can never have too much tool storage, and plus I like to have, you know, some off colors with my main colors, and purple looks good with lime green, I think. Kind of that Mopar look and plum crazy purple here. We got the U.S. General 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart. $600, $599.99 at Harbor Freight. Man, I love the look of this. Man, here it is. My dream box, baby. Yep, not even a Snap-on either. But this box, when I first seen it in person at Harbor Freight, I about fell on the floor like a fish out of water. This box will be here very soon, hopefully sooner than I thought. This is the Icon Series toolbox. These boxes compare to Snap-on, and it can't be beat. For the value, you can't complain about it. It's a great box. It feels and looks just like a Snap-on box with a few different details to tell the difference apart. But other than that, sweet box, I'm getting this one. Now, I don't really go into the specific details of these boxes and opening them up because, for one, I don't have one, and I'm not going to drive to Harbor Freight just to talk about a toolbox. I'm going to recommend you to the Den of Tools. He gets in depth detail of those toolboxes and other things you can pick up at Harbor Freight. So go check him out as well. And thanks for watching this video. I'm getting out of here. I got some yard work to do. We'll see you in the next one.